Temperature check complete, 21 degrees Celsius.
Humidity levels stable. Recorded for the MiG-21 structures.
The pH is holding steady at 5.5 on line 3.
Confirmed. Temperature is optimal for the alloy.
As you can see on the 3D map, we have several irregularities that compromise the integrity of the wing spar.
A series of 70 searches.
The machine applies increasing tensile force to the alloy, critical for the MiG-21 wing structure. As the digital As the temperature rises, the crystalline structure of the aluminum alloy stabilizes. The high-purity aerodynamics space-grade aluminum lithium alloy 21
Look at the deviation map here. Tolerances are well within the 5-micron limit.
Absolutely flawless. The milling process was a complete success.
Verify the shear strength reading.
Confirmed. All rivets are within spec.
Alignment check complete. Tolerances confirmed.
Roger that. Proceeding with the splice.
Pressure stable at 40 psi.
Sniffer reads clean across the joints. Confirmed.
Precision CNC machining creates the hardpoint attachment fittings. Coolant prevents heat buildup before a robotic arm.
The structural skeleton is slowly conveyed into the large industrial oven, where controlled heat accelerates the curing process.
Alignment looks good on the starboard side.
Confirmed.
Starting temporary fasteners now.
These elements are crucial for maintaining flight safety in cold conditions, integrated seamlessly into the structure. Workers in
the robotic arm applies a controlled bead of sealant, ensuring a weather-tight bond. A technician then verifies the thickness using a laser micrometer.
Systems check complete. Zero leakage. Full continuity.
Log the results. The test is a success.
A robotic dispenser applies the structural bonding film, ensuring a stronger, lighter bond than traditional riveting for the MiG-21 wing flap.
Pressure holding steady at the 500 kPa mark.
Confirmed. Curing profile is exactly on schedule.
Deflection angles are holding steady within tolerance.
Confirmed. The linkage is flawless. We are good for sign-off.
The mass and center of gravity are within tolerance.
Confirmed. The data matches the specifications. It's approved for packaging.
Beginning synchronization check.
Looking good down here. Full travel confirmed.
The seamless aerodynamic profile minimizes drag. The clean, smooth surface confirms the aerodynamic quality achieved through precision manufacturing.